think I told you this, but like whenever they're going to do that stuff, they're going to let you. I think they're going to let you press the.
They haven't even respected mine yet. They're making me anxious.
They spent a while assembling Holly's alerted, you know.
I thought Alfie just forgot about me.
I have.
No one said I'm Megan. Alfie does,
Got a crowd around.
They're gonna like start bothering someone about it if they don't do it. I don't know what to do.
Why don't you go up there and do it?
Yeah, I'll go up there and wire it.
Right.
Oh my god. Is that Cypex?
Oh my god, it is.
Cypex!
I just stupid. Hi Dylan. I got the I hate it for this.
You're gonna have your shit that's long, it's all in this chair.
Yeah, that's all.
We tried that, yeah.
That's Maddox.
You came from Florida.
I made the
I decided you wanted to go to Texas for summer.
The way you did this was
You want to say that? You're an idiot.
What? So you want straight up?
yeah, you just pulled it into like
No, I want to go. Also, I got to see like that's what I like. I got to see like I got to see like 2 M's, so I think it was worth it to try.
Back it up, buddy.
It's the coolest thing ever. You can't tell me otherwise.
Oh my god, Dylan. There's a mini Thunderbolt over there that actually
Where's the? I don't care. I got so much more something in everyone.
It's not here. It's not here yet. I don't know if it's here.
And you guys should pull up.
No, because they got the B in it.
I showed up for the
It's the only reason I showed up. If I don't see an M, I'm like, I'm gonna be laughing.
where's the model?
Watch it get
Are you not allowed to walk me up by where your siren is? When do they do that at? Is that rarely?
If it touches yourself, like, yeah,
they have fails.
Right.
Everything else is
Wow, they usually go behind you.
What? Did you say CS6?
I wish Sam Marine finished by Mini Alert brought in here.
That would be sick.
I'm not even what that is.
I actually think that was.
Oh, I could believe last year that Electra S145 that European siren that got. I wasn't expecting that thing to be loud because how deep it sounds, but that thing was like really
Shaking around?
Yeah.
Hey.
Stop bugging here.
No, on its side. It's showing there, but it's fine. Okay, so it works here, but it's delayed wrong on there. What the hell?
Live streams are really weird.
That's what it was. Was it CS6?
I honestly thought that was someone with like a custom tool to it that's 7, 9 years old.
Yeah.
I said it was a CS6. He was like, what? What even is that?
Wasn't like that, was it? Yeah. That was
I think that's loud. I really not. It's a 1,000. The only 1,000 I've ever heard was BB in it.
I think they're at 12,000.
Yeah. Yeah, I've already set up a BB. I think it was tagged in.
Just imagine how loud it is if they do like a proper BPM on that wheel. Like one of those like this is a test. modulators doing logo on the Kentucky side. It'll sound just like it.
That's cool. What's he doing? Shall Samsung's watching.
Oh, just wait for the hurricane though.
That's the 790. What is it? That's the 790. That is inspired. Out of everything, there the 790s had the largest rudder so far.
Following is a routine public sauna of the Jensen Hypex VH20 and University Model ID-40T with 3.4 community warning system. Sound off, sound off, sound
That's a
off.
Model A.
This is a sound off. Cannon beach style.
I think they still move them.
They probably just like ripped the same sound file off of the old
Yeah.
guys.
Oh my god.
They need to do that ditch. They need to do that ditch review like that one boom system. The sound of the system is fantastic. That sounds like
Now for plan.
I think it's a 6-7. Took a little off balance. Visited with itself.
that's got that 6 in there.
Rudder sounds a little imbalanced.
That sounds pretty good.
Please rise for the national anthem. sound off. End of sound off.
Oh, he's mad.
It sounded like one of our modulators for the batteries.
Oh,
You know, like one of those hours the batteries go low.
oh, you remember the one in Amarillo? Wrong way. That's a select. Oh my.
I'm gonna assume we're gonna find whoever made that shit. Thousands of years of human evolution to make that. That's the peak of humanity. That's the peak of technology.
I'm thinking about it.
Bring me a Wooga back.
We're gonna be as red as potatoes after this. Tell me to say.
Crush him on his ass. There's fire in the sun. Oh my God, look at the countryside.
I'm just waiting for the big stuff to start. Resting on the yellow house.
Yeah, I put them there.
Big bad test on it.
It actually records it and then it starts broadcasting it about a minute later. So if the service goes out for a second, it'll just resume.
In that SirenCon2025.